Hare Krishna, welcome back to our channel Thought Process 706. Today I am back with another interesting topic, that is city vs village. First of all, I would like to clarify that I am going to compare city and village, but not to say that city is much better than village or village is much better than city. We are just going to compare to have knowledge. Okay, then let's start. Village is a place where people live like a family and where people know each other, though it is a very big place. In cities people live, but they live like a stranger and much people not knowing each other and they behave like a stranger. In cities road condition, infrastructure and other facilities are good and cities are well developed, but in village road conditions, infrastructures and other facilities are not developed and there is not good infrastructures also. Next, if I talk about education system, we all know that in cities there is a good kind of education system and developed universities where many villagers have to travel and go to gain education. And in the same manner, in village there is no good kind of education system. Now if I talk about the children's, it is my own opinion. If I talk anything wrong, then please ignore it. Okay, if I talk about children's, then I think that in villagers children's are much mature in cities. Because I think that in village children can survive in each and every condition and can handle each and every situation. In the same place in cities, I don't think so the children are much mature as villagers. I am not saying that the mentality of children in city is not good. That in cities, though they have a good education and they are literated, but their mind is not much mature as village children. So village children should be promoted and they also should gain such a kind of opportunities of knowledge and so that they can do big works. And next, if I talk about hospitals, we all know that in cities hospitals are much developed and also there is a big hospitals for which villagers had to travel and go for medical treatment. In the same way, in villages hospital conditions are not much good. Now if I talk about culture is gained from our ancestors. Okay, I would like to mention about culture and tradition. First of all, in village culture and traditions are followed much effectively and they wear traditional dresses and also they follow rituals and they follow many festivals very effectively. In the same place in cities, I am not saying that they not follow culture or tradition, even they follow more effectively than villagers and also they celebrate festivals more effectively than villagers. But there is a fault, it is my opinion, but it is a reality. The way that how girls wear the shorts or short pants, jeans, that should be neglected. I am not saying that not to wear, but that kind of dress which covers our full body. If we see our tradition, then there is a sari, lehenga and many other dresses which comes under our tradition and the girls how look beautiful in that dresses, that should be promoted. And now if I talk about our employment and employment opportunity, the main source of income in cities are service sector and tertiary sector. In service sector, for example of service sector, education, and in the same way example for tertiary sector is transportation. Now if I talk about the main source of income in village, it is that which is our backbone of our India's economy. It is agriculture is the main source of income of village and also we know that it is a primary sector in which it is a basic pillar in which all the sectors are based on. Now I would like to mention about our India's economy. We all know that agriculture is the backbone of our India's economy and it is the basic pillar in all other structure. Now I would like to mention about our India's economy. As we all know that our backbone of India's economy is agriculture and also it is the primary sector and it is the basic pillar in which all other sectors like service sector and tertiary sector is based on. And also agriculture plays a major role in our India's GDP. And at last I would like to clarify that my main purpose to compare city and village is not to say that city is good or village is good. Just my purpose is to have knowledge and know that what is default. As we know that in this world nothing is perfectly formed. There is some error and defaults in each thing. In the same way there is some defaults in village and also there is some default in city. For example, in village road conditions are not good and education system are not good, so government should have to take some steps. And also in the same way in cities there is much pollution and also water scarcity, so government should have to take some step. Thank you. That's all for this video, and for gaining the same kind of knowledge please keep supporting us. Thank you. Hare Krishna.